Welcome back to a new series on our YouTube channel.
We will be filming and reviewing remote and quirky stays around the Eastern Cape and showing you some things to do around the area.
For instance, like hiking or mountain biking, some waterfalls in the area, or things to do.
As we road trip for the next month, right around the Eastern Cape border. So subscribe to follow along as we uncover the spots around the Eastern Cape. Welcome to Kleinrivier Mountain Escapes. This spot is nestled right in the mountains and we're going to show you around. It's just an hour's drive from Port Elizabeth, so we'll leave the link in the description if you guys are interested. Then over here we've got a deck with some more chairs as well as a bar area. Coming inside, we've got a dining room table area, as well as a kitchen on the other side. And then some couches to relax on by the fire pit at night. As well as 2 spare beds. Coming through to this beautiful bathroom, which is basically like you're showering outside. And then the master bedroom, which has got a beautiful view of the mountains.